explorers, welcome to the module snack time. During this video, we are going to talk about the new vocabulary for the lesson 2. Cheese, cheese. The next is yogurt, yogurt. The next is jam, jam. Sandwich, sandwich. Jelly, jelly. Crackers, crackers. And finally, fruits, fruits. Now we're going to learn about the grammar part. We use the grammar part to express our wants. For example, what do you want? I want jelly, please. Or, what do you want? I want cheese, please. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave your like. Bye!